Why did one of China's biggest heat pump companies open a branch in Germany? Because Europe is leading the energy transition, and Heen wanted to be part of it. Heen Renewables GmbH was established as the gateway for a European company that's been building heat pumps since 2000. Not a startup, not a copycat, a national standard drafting, patent holding, government recognized, industry leader with over 2 billion RMB in registered capital. Their products have powered the Shanghai World Expo, the Boao Forum, and the World University Games. Now they're bringing that same quality to European homes and businesses, with German engineering standards meeting Chinese manufacturing scale. Heen Renewables is positioned to be your reliable heat pump partner in the clean energy era. From China to Europe, heating the world sustainably. Learn more at Heen Renewables GmbH, link in bio.